Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science with Google step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of data science. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as statistics, programming, and data manipulation. Visit Google's dedicated data science resources page. Explore the Google Cloud training certification options available for data scientists. Create a Google account if you don't have one. Sign up for free resources available through Google Cloud. Take advantage of quick labs to engage in hands-on exercises in labs. Enroll in Google's Data Analytics Professional Certificate program on Coursera. This program covers data cleaning, visualization, and analysis using real-world examples. Start with the introductory course to build a solid foundation in data analytics. Progress through each module at your own pace. Take notes and practice the skills you learn with tools like Google Sheets and BigQuery. Once comfortable, move on to more advanced courses focused on machine learning and AI. Utilize Google Colab for Python coding and Jupyter Notebook features, perfect for data analysis. Join Google's online community for additional support and networking opportunities. Participate in forums, ask questions, and share your progress with peers. Seek project opportunities or internships in data science to gain practical experience. Continue your learning by exploring additional resources like books and online courses. Stay updated on industry trends and tools through blogs and webinars. Practice your skills consistently and work on personal or open source projects. Consider contributing to Kaggle competitions to further enhance your portfolio. Review your progress regularly and set new goals to keep advancing in your data science journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.